everyone, welcome to my channel Iknoor. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos, then gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today I am unboxing both headphones. This is the front and this is the side, captivating sound with 40mm drivers, adaptive ear cups and headband, enhanced connectivity wired and wireless. So you can connect it with wire and wireless. Okay, that's good. Up to 15 hours of musical bliss. This is the back. Voice assistant, Google and Siri. It has voice assistant also. HD sound. Okay, this is the series Rockerz 450. Boat X Marvel. Okay, this is the downside of the box. Actually, I got this from Karoma and the price written here is 4,000 but it's 1,700. Now let's quickly unbox this. Okay, we have to remove these both stickers. Remove. Where is the remove one? Yeah, there. Yay! Now it has opened. Now this removes. Yes. Now be careful. And okay. So this is the headphone. See, Iron Man and Iron Man. Okay, now let's put this aside. Okay, there is a, let me open. Wait. Oh, this is the charging cable and this is where we can do the wired connection cable. Okay. Oh, and there is a sticker. Yay. Okay. Now, this is the warranty card. Yes. Oh, 1 year warranty. Okay. Now what is this? Let me open it for you. And behind that, Sanj. See over here. Okay, now let's put this. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, now what is this? Oh my gosh, this is so big. Come on, get out. Get out. No, I am not eating it. Can I tear it? Yes. Oh my god. A picture of Iron Man and instruction manual. But I don't need the instruction manual. Ooh. Okay, now let's put these things aside. Okay. Okay, now one I think I do. Acha! Oh, it did come. Okay, now let's unbox these things. Now here is the headphones. Yay! Okay, now let's see how to on it. On. Okay. Here are the buttons. This is the play button, on and off, and play and pause. This is volume up and volume down. Oh, see, there is a light when it's blink. That pairing. I must say this is really good. Now let's pair it with my phone over here. And I am pairing it with iPhone. Okay. Now I am going to pair it with my phone. Okay, now this is connected. You can see over here. Okay. Now let's wear it. And it's really easy to pair. And if you can see, see here my phone. Wait, you can see over here when I am doing this up, I'm not touching it down, that the volume is going up and down. It's time to hear some music, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, which one? That. Wait, if you can hear. Wait, is it coming? Oh, it's coming. Wait. Oh, it's coming. Wait, see over here. It's coming really nice. It is really nice. And please subscribe my channel. Okay, and I really much love these headphones. I must say that the quality of this headphone, and it is so easy to pair, and the sound is really amazing. I must say that in this price range, this is a must-buy product for your family or for yourself. And that's it for today's video. Bye bye friends. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor. Bye-bye. And subscribe my channel. Now really bye.